Hey, y'all saw the unboxing. So today of the Rode Wireless Go 2, right? Okay, so today is the review, and we out here, beautiful outside, you know what I'm saying? We out from the studio. So we're here now to do the review on that. So look, the transmission, right? So the transmission here is it uses 2.4 gigahertz, and the encryption is 128. So that's some good encryption there. Now out of the box, straight out of the box, you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is just turn the transmitter on, turn the receiver on automatically. Both of them will just pay. So y'all don't even have to do anything. So y'all can see me. I got a 2 transmission right here. Okay, so I have the lavalier connected today, right? And then the receiver is on the camera over there. So yeah, what we're going to do, it says the range is 200 meters. Now that's some serious dope range right there. So what I'm going to do, right? I am going to walk all the way. So that's the reason why we are here, right? Okay, so yeah, what we're going to do right now is that I'm going to put this the distance test of say 200 meters. Yeah, there's an open field, so I'm going to put that to test right now. I am going to go all the way 200 and see if we are going to lose the signal. All right, okay, so this is me now. Y'all come see me walk. Beautiful open place. You know, I just love this place, you know what I'm saying? Just come out here, beautiful trees, you know, beautiful scenery. I mean, look, yo, the Rode Wireless, this is a Rode Wireless Go 2 that Rode came out with. The next iteration of the very first one of the Rode, you know. So what I'm doing right now is that I'm just keep talking until eventually, you know, I get to the 200. Yeah, and then we'll find out if the signal and how the performance is in terms of the transmission here. So coming out here, beautiful Summerville, beautiful scenery all over the place, you know, and beautiful horses right in the background. Y'all can see that. You know, it's just beautiful morning. So right now I am almost at 100 meters, you know. Shout out to Isaac's dad for measuring that up, right? So here I am now. I am at 100 meters here, right? And the signal is still right there. Okay, so I'm still giving the from the. All right, let me keep going. So that's 100 meters, y'all can hear me, you know, from 100 meters. So I'm doing another 100. Let's put this Rode Wireless Go to test. They said we can go 200. Yes, Rode, we are going to hold you to the test. You know, unboxing is done, testing this right now. Let's do that. You know, look, to me, getting the package with 2 Rode transmitters and 1 receiver, you know, and you know, you can merge the signal, you know, or you can record separate channel. You can merge the channel, or you can record just separate channels, you know. So here I am. I'm right here, 200 meters. I'm right here at 200 meters. So I'm getting a shout out from the back. So this is 200 here, and I hope the signal is the same, right? The signal is still there and it's not lost. Now I am about to go a little further down, you know, and see if if the signal is still going to be there. But this is 200, right? This is where Rode said the Wireless Go 2 is going to, the transmitter, right? The transmitter here can go all the way back to the receiver. Signal, having a clean signal. So over here, I can see it, yeah. Wow, signal here. So I am, let me walk a little bit back, right? I want to see if I'm going to lose it here. Whoa, Rode. Wow, okay. I am going, this is more than 200 now. On the transmitter, still signal. Whoa. Okay. This is whoa. Okay. This lost signal. Okay, so I'm walking back. I'm walking back until I get to the Mac that road sets. To me, there we go. I'm back again at 200. 200. So let me walk back and check on this signal here. Woo! You know, this is unbelievable, right? Okay, so coming back to the receiver, I went all the way over 240 meters, and yet I was getting signal, right? This is beyond what road claim the transmission was going to go 200. This is a go, right? To me, this is a go, right? You never go wrong with this, right? The reason why I say you never go wrong with it is that it's not just the distance that I covered, 200 and beyond. It is also you getting the package deal of 2, right? You're getting 2 in 1 clean signal, and also you can add the lav to it if you want to mic the transmitter with a lav. You're getting 2 in 1, and you can record 2 separate channels, or you can merge them together, right? You can mic 2 people if you're doing an interview, or you want to record something with someone else. Look, here, you also on the unboxing, the review is right here. We've done the test, we've covered the distance, right? 2.4 gigahertz. The encryption is 128 encryption, so you're good. All right, hey, thanks a lot for joining me today on Crazy Tech Space and the review. Don't forget, click right here. Yeah, click right here to check the unboxing of the Rode Wireless, and also click down low to subscribe. Like, share, and Charlie, I will see you in the next video. Charlie, Medase. Thanks.